everybody. Today we're going to identify the slope and the y-intercept from equations. We have a couple of examples. The first example is 6x plus 3y equal to 5. Now to identify the slope and the y-intercept, you need to write the equation in slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form would be y equal mx plus b. M would be your slope and b would be the y-intercept. So 0b would be your y-intercept. If you write the equation in that form, you'll be able to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So we need to solve for y. We need to isolate y on one side. So we subtract 6x on both sides. This will cancel. You end up with 3y equals to negative 6x plus 5. Solving for y, I need to divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. So this would cancel, and y would be equal to negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2x plus 5 over 3. So the slope, this would be the slope right here. The slope is negative 2 or negative 2 over 1. You can also write it as m equal to negative 2. And the y-intercept b is 5 over 3. The y-intercept is 0, 5 over 3. Now granted this is a fraction, but you can get the decimal form if you want to graph it. If you're not going to graph it, this is good. So now we found the slope, which is negative 2, and we found the y-intercept. Now let's look at our second example. Here we have negative 8x minus y equal to negative 3. Again, in order to find the slope and the y-intercept, we need to isolate y. So we have to get rid of this. We have to take this to the other side of the equation. We do that by adding 8x on both sides of the equation. So this would cancel, and you'd be left with negative y equal to positive 8x or 8x minus 3. Now we're looking for y. We have negative y. There's an invisible negative 1 here. So you may want to divide by negative 1 or multiply by negative 1 on both sides of the equation. It doesn't really matter. If you divide on both sides by negative 1, all the signs flip. This becomes y equal, here positive, it becomes negative, and here you have plus 3. So this is the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. The slope, or m, here is negative 8. The y-intercept here is 0, 3. This is your b. Okay? So I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.